Oh hey, welcome to another edition of Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Trains with Socrates. This week we're looking at tank cars. We had a couple tank cars, this is another one. EP Cargo, ERR, or ERR. Again, these are ones I saw at Amsterdam's Westhaven, parked up, thought it was a nice looking car, made a small version of it. Print on the Bambu in 4 colors. Bottom has small pieces that the medium-sized microtrains couplers hook into. Push them in with a little pin. You can print it in 4 colors. You can print it in 1 color if you want. Like that, you can paint it yourself or do it in 1 color. You can see the bottom has where the pins go in for the couplers. Put 4 color, 1 color, make it as you like. Get it on Colts. EP Cargo, as seen at Amsterdam Westhaven. Thanks for watching. Check it out next time. This was Tank Car Week on 3D Printed Trains. That was another tank car on 3D Printed Trains. Here's some more tank cars. Take a look at these cars. Want a car? Get it on Colts.